So now let's see how we can make Trello card templates and work with them. So to work with Trello card templates, I'm just going to go around onto the storyboard section and I want to create a storyboard card template. So to do that, I'm just going to click on add another card. And then what I'm going to do is rename this as storyboard template. So you can rename this to anything you want. You don't have to rename it as I do it. So I'm just going to type in storyboard template just like this and go around here. So now I'm going to click on the card so that the card option pops up. So I'm just going to say this is the standard storyboard process. So just like that, I can add in a description over here as well. So now what I want to do is, let's say I want to add in some labels. Like I can go into labels and add in completed, in process, and revision required. So maybe 3 of those labels are very important for this particular template. And then I want to add in a checklist. So let me just go to checklist and then create a new checklist. And I'm going to add in an item. So the first one would be drawing. The second one would be, let's say, for example, this is going to be description. And then the third one, description, add, and third one is going to be technical details, just like this. So 3 checklist is there. So this is what I want to save as a template. Let's say, for example. So what I do is I just click on make template right over here. So let me just click on make template, and what happens is that the card has been turned into a template. So if I were to close this, what happens is that the template is here, just like this. So it has been labeled as template. So if I want to create a new version of the card, what I can do is I can simply click on this and I can click on create card from template, and then I can choose what to keep, like labels and checklists are there. So I can add it in storyboard list or any other list. So I'm just going to add in, for example, in brainstorming list. And if I were to click on create card, what happens is that a new card is created by taking this template right here. But let's say I want to hide this template. In order to do that, what do I do? So in order to do that, I can just hide this from the list right here. That is, the template is hidden from the list, just like that. So now, in order to access the template, what you have to do is, while going on to add another card, you just go onto the side right here where it says create from template. So once you click on that, what happens is that the card is there, just like this. The template is here. So what you can do is go on and click onto this, and you can choose the checklist and labels, create card, and the template card is here, just like this. If you want to edit the template, the other team members won't be able to do it now. You have to do it as an owner because it is hidden. So you have to go to new template and then go to edit templates right here. And then what you can do is edit this template and make the changes right here. Let's say, for example, if I want to add in an item right here and say something like format, just like this, and add that in, and that template has been made. You can also delete the template if you wish to. So I'm just going to go around and close this that has been saved. So I can go around and create another one from template just like this. And there's 4 checklists. So if I were to create a card, another template has been pulled in. You can go in and there are 4 checklists, as you can see. So now other users will be able to just use that template and then use the checklist to just manage out the project. And that is how everything works out inside of Trello card templates. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.